The UART module in UiFlow2 provides asynchronous serial communication functionality, supporting data exchange between devices and external sensors, modules, or other microcontrollers. In the left side function expansion, expand hardware. Select the built-in hardware UART function of the device, and click Confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list under the hardware directory, you will see the loaded UART Blockly module. Drag the UART module to the workspace, initialize the UART function module, and you can start development and programming. Before using UART serial communication, refer to the official documentation of the host device to configure the pin information TXRX. The pins of the devices need to be cross-connected. If you need to use UART communication in a flow control scenario, you can open the manual for specific configuration. Next, a case demonstration will show how to use Cores3 and CardPuter for serial communication, sending string data to each other. Case 2 introduces the use of CardPuter to send array data. Cores3 receives and parses the sent array.